Hi guys, it's Arsh Ellahi, and in today's video we're on site, another property taken on. We're in West Bromwich, so we're on quite a residential street. Believe it or not, actually in a cul-de-sac. Never really taken a property on in a cul-de-sac before. The cleaner's here today, just doing a bit of work. And here is what is a 6-bed HMO. So I'm going to walk straight through and give you a little walk through. So this is the property that I've just taken on. I managed to secure, did a 1 month rent-free period. So we've got the fire alarm system all in place. You can see we've got the emergency lighting, we've got all the bits, got all the gas safety certificates, got the EPC certificate, everything all in place. You can see that all the doors have got thumb-turn locks. We've got for the cleaners cupboard, got a little cupboard in there where cleaner keeps all the stuff. And here we're going to the communal lounge. So when I took the property on, the property didn't have any furniture. The only thing that I've had to do to this property is provide furniture. So I've got the cleaner, as you can appreciate, she's got a cleaning stuff out so that she can clean the property. And it works really well. So I took the property on and worked on the basis that I was going to have to put in some money to do the to furnish the property. The property was all recently refurbished. You can see I've just put the little stickers on so that each of the tenants know where to put all the utilities, so that there isn't any conversations of, oh, he's done this, he's done that. Property has 2 sinks. Put just little tabs on there to show which room would use each sink. And I put this up on open rent and I filled all 6 rooms within the space of a week. And some people said to me that I wouldn't be able to let this quite easily. So I had to letting agent, they tried to say that I would rent the rooms for £300 a month. I've rented each of the rooms out at £400 a month. So at the moment, as it stands, one lady is moving into her room. So the only room that I can show you is one that is vacant. When I say vacant, they're moving in the next couple of days. So we've got downstairs, we had room 1, someone's in there at the moment. We've got room 2, got room 3. Room 4, room 5 and room 6, and then we've got another bathroom. So in the bathroom again we've got another shower cubicle, toilet, hand wash basin. Everything is brand new. And when I said to some people, should I take this property on, people were saying that I shouldn't take it, and I kind of questioned why. And with my judgment, I decided to take the property on and filled it very quickly. And this has actually become quite a decent income generating property. So put furniture in, all brand new furniture. We did have dressing in here, so when we had all the pictures up, we had the dressing, so all the beds we dressed, we had pictures on the wall. Now that the tenant's taken it, we've now put those back into storage for the other properties, and it works extremely well. So how the figures kind of work on this. I've paid the landlord £1,000 a month. Each of the rooms are now generating £400 a month each. So the income fully let is £2,400. Minus the £1,000 that I pay to the landlord, means that after I've taken out utilities on this property are approximately £400 a month. So once I pay the landlord and once I pay the utilities, I cash flow £1,000 a month from this one property. Now bear in mind that I spent approximately £2,500 on all the furniture. So that when I say £2,500, that was for chest of drawers, wardrobe, double bed in each of the rooms, the bedside cabinet, and in the kitchens I supplied 2 of the fridges and the washing machines and in the communal areas supply the sofas and all the cleaning materials as well. So that is approximately £2,500. So based on the fact that this property is going to produce £1,000 a month, means that it's going to take me 2.5 months to pull my initial capital back in. Remember that I also negotiated a month rent-free period. So in actual fact, it will take me 2 months, or well, less than 2 months to pull the money back. And this is why rent-to-rent is such a powerful strategy. Because I meet the landlord and I can literally, by the shake of his hand or a handshake, take control of his property. He's getting guaranteed income of £1,000 for the next 5 years. I look after any internal maintenance. He looks after anything external. Just to let you know, this property was fully renovated from head to toe. He just wanted someone to give him a guaranteed solution, and it works extremely well. Everyone wins. I've now let this property out. We've got 6 people who have now got a fantastic new home for themselves. We make cash flow, the landlord's got his solution, and it works really well. So guys, that's just a quick short video just to say that it does work. If someone tells you not to take a property on and you think you can make it work, there's no reason for you not to make it work. So hopefully that's inspired you to go out and find more properties. If you like the video, please press like and subscribe. More importantly, if you like free content, sorry you can hear the cleaner outside. If you like more free content, you can go and listen to the Property Rebel podcast. I'll release a new podcast every Tuesday at 6 AM. As well as that, you can find me on social media under the handle of Arsh Ellahi. Find me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram and Twitter, plus Clubhouse. Finally, if you haven't already done so, why don't you find properties like this for yourself on the Property Investor app? It's the UK's first property investment platform which showcases all kinds of deals all over the UK, just like this as well. So you can do deals just like this just by finding them on the app. Go to the App Store, type in Property Investor. Alternatively, if you want to go to our website, you can go to propertyinvestorapp.co.uk, and I look forward to speaking to you and working with you all soon. Thank you and bye-bye.